हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू एडुलिव। आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 9th एंड 10th आईसीएसई स्टूडेंट्स की ट्रेजर चेस्ट की शॉर्ट स्टोरी का सेकंड चैप्टर ओलिवर आस्क्स फॉर मोर के वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशंस लाए हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यू टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वेयर वॉज ओलिवर ट्विस्ट बॉर्न? ऑप्शंस आर इन अ प्राइवेट क्लिनिक, इन अ पार्क, इन द वर्क हाउस or in a discarded building. Answer is B option, in the workhouse. Second question is, Oliver's mother pressed her cold lips to his face and then options are smiled, began to weep, went to sleep, or fell back and died. Answer is C option, fell back and died. Third question is, the doctor raised the dead woman's left hand and commented that she had no ring on her finger. What does this mean? Options are, she was very poor, she wasn't married, she wasn't fond of jewelry, or none of the above. Answer is she option, she was not married. Fourth question is, to the orphan boy the name Oliver Twist was given by. Options are Swambal, Unbin, Mr. Bumble, or the old woman at the workhouse. Answer is D option, Mr. Bumble. Fifth question is, the bowls in which soup was served to workhouse boys never needed washing. And why? Options are, A option is they were made of glass, B option they were made of bone china, and C option is the boys cleared them with their spoon, or all of the above. Answer is C option, the boy cleaned them with their spoons. Sixth question is, when Oliver asked for more soup, how did the master react? Options are, A option is he was pleased, B option he was utterly surprised, C option he shouted at Oliver, D option is he started beating Oliver. Answer is B option, he was utterly surprised.
तो आज हमारे पास है आपकी आईसीएसई की क्वेश्चन बैंक बुक ऑफ बायोलॉजी। तो ये बुक बहुत हेल्पफुल हो सकती है आपके लिए, क्योंकि इसमें आपको सभी चैप्टर्स की डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन, आपको कॉमन एरर्स मेड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स, वर्ड ऑफ एडवाइस, उसके साथ साथ आपको डीप क्वेश्चंस, मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस देख सकते हो आप। ठीक है, उसके बाद आपको इसमें सारे एमसीक्यूज़ क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे बहुत डीपली, और उसके सभी एक्सप्लेनेशन भी मिल जाएंगे, जैसे आपको दिख रहे होंगे आंसर्स, उसके साथ प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन विद आंसर्स। उसके अलावा आपको जैसे कि इस बुक में नेम द फॉलोइंग गिफ्ट टेक्निकल टर्म्स भी मिल जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो इस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं। ठीक है, उसके बाद आपको इस बुक में ट्रू एंड फॉल्स मिल जाएंगे, जो कि मतलब बहुत हेल्पफुल है, जो आपके जो आने वाले एग्ज़ाम है ना बोर्ड्स में बहुत काम आएंगे। स्टेट द लोकेशन, तो ये हर चैप्टर के साथ है सिमिलर। तो और उसके साथ अरेंज एंड री राइट, जैसा कि आपका प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट होता है ना बोर्ड्स का, ठीक उसी वे में विद देयर एक्सप्लेनेशन कि आखिर ये चीज़ क्यों हो रही है। ठीक है, तो मैच द कॉलम, एक्सप्लेन द टर्म्स, लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन, शॉर्ट आंसर देख सकते हो। ठीक है, तो इस बुक को आप परचेस कर सकते हो, इसकी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दी गई है, और इस बुक को परचेस करके आप अपने बोर्ड्स की प्रिपरेशन को बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हो। तो इसकी डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक मिल जाएगी, वहाँ से आप परचेस कर सकते हो। तो दैट्स इट।
Seventh question is, Oliver was shut up in a dark room. He remained a prisoner for. Options are a whole week, 5 days, 24 hours, or 6 months. Answer is A option, a whole week. Eighth question is, the soup disappeared quickly and why? Options are, it was very tasty. B option is, the boys were very hungry, or the quantity was not enough, or all of the above. Answer is C option, the quantity was not enough. Ninth question is, how much money was offered to the person who would take Oliver Twist? Options are 10 pound, 1 pound, 5 pound, or 4 pound. Answer is B option, 5 pounds. 10th question is, what was the profession of Mr. Sowerberry he made? Options are buildings, coffins, utensils, or shoes. Answer is C option, coffins. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं कॉम्प्रीहेंशन पैसेजेस के क्वेश्चन से। फर्स्ट पैसेज का फर्स्ट पार्ट क्वेश्चन है, Who lived in the workhouse? Answer is, the poor people did not have any money. They did not have any place to live. In such type of places lived in workhouse. Second part है, how were the babies born in workhouse named? Answers is, The babies born in workhouse were named in the order from A to Z. The last one was named Sambal and the current one was Twist and the next would be Anvil. Third question is, who were present in the room where Oliver was born? Answer is, Oliver's young mother was lying ill in the room. There was also a doctor and an old woman who was standing by her side. Fourth question is, the baby's mother wished for two things. What were they? Answer is, first, she wanted to have a look at her newly born child. Secondly, she didn't want to live anymore. These were her two wishes. Fifth question is, how did the doctor react to one of the wishes? Answer is, the old woman reacted by saying that she was too young to die. The doctor put the child in the arms of the dying mother. ओके, तो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं पैसेज 2 के क्वेश्चन से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका, हु इज़ शी रेफर्ड इन द फर्स्ट लाइन? व्हाट विश डिड शी एक्सप्रेस्ड अर्लियर? आंसर इज, शी रेफर्ड टू इन द फर्स्ट लाइन इज द डाइंग वुमन मदर. अर्लियर शी हैड एक्सप्रेस्ड द विश दैट शी डिडंट वांट टू लिव एनी मोर. Second part is, after kissing the baby, the woman fell back. What happened to her? What do the words poor dear indicate? Answer is, after kissing the baby, the young woman fell back and died. The words poor dear convey the feeling of pity and sympathy for the young unwell mother. Third question है, what was the doctor told about the baby's mother? Answer is, the doctor was told that the baby's mother was brought to the workhouse the previous night. She was lying in the street. Nobody knew where she came from and where she was going. Fourth part is, looking at the dead woman's ringless hand, what did the doctor conclude? Answer is, when the doctor looked at the dead woman's ringless hand, he easily concluded that she wasn't married. It was the usual story during those days. Fifth question is, what did the old woman do when the doctor had gone home for dinner? Answer is, when the doctor went away for dinner, the old woman sat in front of the fire, took the baby in her lap and dressed it in a very old clothes. Such clothes were used for those baby who were in workhouse. तो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं पैसेज थर्ड के क्वेश्चन से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वर द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स of the workhouse not able to found it? Answer is, the organizers of the workhouse were unable to found out that the baby, who the baby's father is. They did not know the name of his baby. Second part is, who was Mr. Bumble? What did he do for the baby? Answer is, Mr. Bumble was an important officer in the town. He invented a name for the baby. The baby was given the name Oliver Twist. Third question is, who are we mentioned in the passage? How did we name new babies? Answer is, we mentioned in the passage are the two important persons of the town. They named the new babies in order from A to Z. Fourth question is, how did Oliver look at the age of 9? How did he look thin? Why did he look thin and pale? Answer is, Oliver looked pale, lean and thin at the age of 9. He looked so because he was underfed at the workhouse. He also didn't have warm clothes to cover his body. Fifth question is, what was the usual food of workhouse boys? What special thing was given to them on Sundays? Answer is, the usual food of workhouse boys was thin soup thrice a day. However, a Sunday they used to get a special piece of bread. Okay, so the first question of the fourth passage is, why did the master hit Oliver with his spoon? Answer is, the master hit Oliver with his spoon because the latter had demanded more soup. The master was enraged at the thought that how the boy could make such a demand. Second question is, whom did he call for help? What did the person do? Answer is, he called Mr. Bumble, who came quickly into the room for help. He couldn't believe the boy's behavior. He took him away and shut him in a dark room. Third question is, he asked for more. In which tone is this sentence spoken and why? Anger and astonishment were there in the tone of the speaker. He can't believe that the boy had done such a mistake. Fourth question is, what did the notice on the gate of the workhouse say? The answer is, the notice on the gate of workhouse announced that £5 would be given to anybody who would take Oliver Twist away from the workhouse. Fifth question is, what impression do you form of the working of the workhouse? Answer is, we form an extremely negative view regarding the working of the workhouse. The children who needed care and affection were given harsh punishment. They were being treated in an inhuman manner. Okay, so start करते हैं passage fifth के questions. First question है, who is he referred in the first line? Answer is, he referred to in the first line is the doctor who was present by the side of young mother and when her son was born. Second question is, what does the absence of a ring on the finger show? Answer is, the absence of a ring on the finger shows that the young woman was unmarried. Her partner had deserted her at the crucial time. Third question is, when he had gone home, what did the old woman do? Answer is, when he had gone home, the old woman sat down on the chair in front of the fire. Then she began to dress the baby. The newly born baby was dressed in a very old clothes. Fourth question is, the newly born baby was dressed in. Answer is, the newly born baby was dressed in very old clothes used for babies who were born in workhouse. Fifth question is, what light does the last line throw on the society of that time? Answer is, the last line shows that the society of that time in the poor light, the affluent section of the society did not bother about the poor and the deserted. स्टार्ट करते हैं पैसेज 6 से. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वाई वॉज ऑलिवर पुट इन टू प्रिजन? आंसर इज, ऑलिवर हैड mustered courage to request for more soup as he still felt hungry. He did so at the behest of all the boys in the workhouse. Second question is, why did Mr. Bumble beat Oliver in front of everybody? Answer is, Mr. Bumble beat Oliver in front of everybody so that it would be an example for them that nobody would dare to ask for more. Third question is, why couldn't Oliver sleep at night? Answer is, Oliver could not sleep in the darkness of the room at night. He was feeling cold, lonely and frightened. Moreover, the stick bounds not let him sleep. Fourth question is, how did Mr. Sowerberry earn money for a living? Answer is, Mr. Sowerberry was a lean and a thin fellow who wear black clothes. He earned money by making clothes. Fifth question is, what information did Mr. Sowerberry give to Mr. Bumble? Answer is, Mr. Sowerberry informed Mr. Bumble that he had more coffins for the two women who had died in the workhouse the previous night.